Today we are making easy mackerel deep fried in polenta flour. And with this recipe I also have a nice easy sauce that works really well, so make sure you don't skip it. So do the entire recipe, and if it's first time we meet, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this. Now let's get into it. We will begin first with the sauce that's so easy to make, so all you need: 1 clove of garlic goes into the pestle and mortar. If you don't have a pestle and mortar, just use a normal blender or chop the garlic by hand. After that, what I'm gonna go in with is a good pinch of pepper and a good pinch of salt. Probably, let's say, 2 pinches of salt. We need that. First, we'll turn the garlic into a paste, and the salt we've just added will help with that. After that, lemon. We're also gonna be doing some lemon zesting, a combination of lemon and lemon zest. Zest from a half lemon. And then also the juice that goes straight in. Now, extra virgin olive oil, about 4 or 5 tablespoons of that. And I also want to add some chopped parsley. Chop it, don't get it into the pestle and mortar because we don't want to turn this into crushed parsley. We want to keep it nice and fresh and unbruised. We've got our lemony sauce that works perfectly with the mackerel, especially for this time of the year when it's hot outside. So let's get into preparing the mackerel and let's see what we end up with. First, we want to set up a pan with veg oil on the heat, and we're gonna leave this until it reaches 180 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, we're gonna be preparing the fish. First, we're gonna go with seasoning, salt and pepper on each one of the fillets. Do these on both sides. To coat the mackerel and give it a nice crispy texture, you need polenta flour. A cup of polenta flour should do the job for the amount of fillets we've got here. Now get each one of the fillets into the flour. Make sure these get well coated before dropping them into the hot oil. When the oil reaches 180 degrees Celsius, we can drop in the fillets. After about 2 minutes, I'm just gonna flip them to make sure they cook evenly. But as soon as they get golden brown in color, you know they are ready. Before you take them off the heat, make sure you put some kitchen paper on the plate so it absorbs some of that excess oil that you don't want into your food. Now the fish looks nice and golden brown in color. We're gonna take it off the heat. Serve immediately with the sauce we just made. And I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this. I will see you in the next one.